Hey folks, DJ with Rob School Garage, and we've got the new starter cutoff relay in for the 2000 Yamaha V Star 1100. We're going to see if that fixes the problem. I hope it does, but I don't know for sure. So we'll see, and let's go ahead and get that put on. Right, we've got the new relay here, and looks exactly like the old one. This one's got the rubber piece on it, whereas that one doesn't. But we're just gonna pull that off, put the new one on, and hopefully it works, and we'll be able to start the bike. Let's find out. There we go. It's on. Kill switch is good. Put the brake back on too, just to make sure. Alright, let's see what happens. Turn the bike on. Crap. Still nothing. Still nothing. Am I getting power to the start switch? Can you see? Let me bring it over here so you can see. Alright, still nothing. So, let's see. Am I getting power to the start switch? No, I'm not. Well, what in the world is going on with this thing? I didn't accidentally blow a fuse, did I? No. Oh, well, look at that. When I take the one of the fuses out on the starter solenoid, everything goes out. So we know we're getting power to the bike through the starter. But one thing I did notice also, the fuel pump didn't kick on again. So let's try it again. Oop, big spider web. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, see this, the fuel pump didn't kick on, and it's supposed to kick on. So now, man. There must be a fuse somewhere else that I'm missing, because that should have started. That should have been the issue. So I'm going to go through the fuses again. I'll take you over there and let you see what I'm doing. But I'm going to pull each fuse out, check it, maybe even put a new fuse in just to be safe. So let's go do that, I guess. This is good. Okay. We have manually checked every fuse. I tell you what, since the fuel pump is supposed to be coming out when we turn the key on, let's just find out what's powering the fuel pump. Maybe that'll lead us in the right direction. So we've got we've got a ground wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my light on the positive on the battery, and then test to make sure that ground is good. This is for the fuel pump. Yeah, okay, so we got power to the fuel pump. Or the fuel pump is grounded correctly. So now let's take it back and see if we're going to get power to it. Put my lead back on the negative, and let's test the wire for the fuel pump. No power. Okay, let's turn the bike on and see if we have power. Bike is on. No power to the fuel pump. Alright. That gives us a slight indication of what might be going on. So this looks like a blue wire, a dark blue wire with a white dash on it. So let's find out where that goes to. Using our schematics here. Oops. Using our schematics going from the fuel pump, which is fuel pump. There's the blue wire. It goes, again, right into this relay, cutoff relay that I just replaced. Okay? So, the power from the starter relay, the power should come from the starter relay, right? Going up. Let's check that out. Well, it appears that that cutoff relay wasn't the actual issue. I'm at the point now where I really don't know what the problem is. It seems like this kill switch might be a problem. I don't know. But that shouldn't stop. It shouldn't stop the fuel pump from kicking on. So I think what I'm going to do. No real way to. Yeah, there is. Here. Just simply take it off like that. There we go. Okay. Now let's test it and see if it's got power coming to it at a minimum. Turn the bike on. Okay, we got power coming to it. And what happens if we connect the two? Give me my alligator clips. Hang on 1 second. Try a different way. Power I do. And power I do. Okay. See, now it's... So is the switch messed up? Right? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take just a little bit of sandpaper and just sand those off a bit. I'll take some 1000 grit and just, you know, make sure the contacts are nice and clean. Alright, there we go. That's clean. Now let's make sure these contacts are clean. Could that really have been our problem the whole time? Was just this silly kill switch? Okay. Alright, let's put it back together and see how it does. There it is, folks. What do you think? All that work for nothing. Literally all I had to do was replace that kill, or fix the kill switch. All I did was sand it down a little bit. That was it. I just sanded down the connections. Yeah. Watch. Turn the bike on, hit the kill switch. You can now hear the fuel pump. Bike kicks over. Turn it off. I'm going to turn the fuel pump, or the kill switch in the off position. Turn the bike on. No fuel pump, right? Put it in the start position. Fuel pump. Hit the starter button. Bam! Done. There it was. The kill switch needed some sandpaper. That is literally what it come down to. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, now it's time to put this all back together, I guess. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh, I'm so mad at myself right now. But I swear I checked it 100 times. I know for a fact I checked this kill switch. Like 100% I know I checked it. Oh man, that makes me mad. Hey, you know what? At least we got it running. At least we got it running. So I will consider that a success, even though I, man. Even though I took a really long road to get there. There it is. There's no tank on it or anything, so we got to put that all back together. But I'm not going to bore you with all that. It's just basically reattaching everything. So yeah, we fixed this bike in a roundabout way. You know, like I said, we didn't need this. We didn't need the coil pack. We didn't need anything. So yeah, all we needed was to clean that little switch off. Alright, well there you have it, folks. Just ended up being a corroded kill switch. That was it. All the other stuff we did in the last two videos, nothing. Replacing everything. Man, I replaced the coil, I replaced the cutoff relay, the ignition cutoff relay. All it was the kill switch just needed a little bit of sanding down. So that would explain why it sometimes worked and sometimes didn't, because sometimes it was getting a connection, sometimes it wasn't. So yeah, there we go. If you could, go ahead and like the video, and please subscribe to the channel. I'd very much appreciate it, and I will catch you on the next one.